3 minus 4 equals minus 1. 3 minus 4 equals minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 equals positive 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present, we do have a multiplication operator present, and we also have parentheses present here. According to the rules, parentheses have highest priority, so let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 3 minus 4, that gives us negative 1. Our expression simplifies to 3 minus 4 times negative 1. Now we have two operators present here, subtraction and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we must solve this multiplication first. 4 times negative 1, that gives us negative 4, and our expression simplifies to 3 minus negative 4, and when we simplify it, negative negative is positive, so 3 plus 4, that gives us 7, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.